Welcome to Turtle Step 16, undo sitting tightness, specifically from driving. I'm going to show you 2 stretches. Before we jump in, don't forget to like and subscribe so you get these when they drop. They're really simple. They keep you feeling better. Why the heck not? All right, so here we go. So the first one is going to undo the sitting rounding, right? This is an exaggeration, but we do that. So we're gonna undo that because that can lead to sciatica, it can lead to tight IT band stuff, it can lead to a whole host of things, all right? It can lead to headaches. So what we're gonna do is stand, and we're gonna do a standing figure 4. Do exactly this. You're gonna hold on to something steady, bring one leg up and over your knee. Point that knee out and hold very tall, proud chest. So if you're starting like this, if you just kind of go like this, you're not gonna get much out of it. But if you just add on the lift, over, open, then you'll get more. Then sit down, this up knee, point it diagonal. So I'm gonna point it towards my front tire, and then I'm gonna notice where I'm holding tension in my shoulder and relax, all right? Because I don't need to make other things tight. I'm gonna show you side view. Once again, we lift up, leg over, sit back, spread your back pockets. You don't want any rounding, and then relax the other areas and hold here. Say 5 to 10 seconds, that's it, all right? Oh, if I bump my knee more diagonal, I get a lot more. So that's the magic thing, it's really cool. You point here, you're not gonna get as much. Point it diagonal, you get a ton more. Okay, calf stretch. Calves get tight from summer shoes and gas pedaling. So get yourself close to any up surface. So it could be a wall. We're going to use the tire, obviously. So I'm getting my foot close to the tire, and then I'm going to lean into it, shove my back pocket forward, and this back heel up. Okay, so here's the thing, friend. If you're like this, you're not going to feel much at all. You're going to be like, okay, I'm doing what you're saying, but I don't really get it. Then you're going to go here, get your foot higher, shove your hips forward, your belt line forward, your chest proud, and you're gonna be like, oh, there we go. That's the stretch. This is gonna avoid things like plantar fasciitis, knee pain. I have people that their hips feel better, they sleep better from doing calf stretches because they don't get cramps in the night. All right, so there we go. So those are your 2 undo driving stretches. Standing figure 4, calf stretch. Do this throughout the year, but let's start now in summer, huh? I'll see you in 2 weeks for Turtle Step 17. Take care.